If you get your emails opened, it is now critical to show your prospect that this very email is intended just for them. Otherwise, your email will be thrown in the bin. This is what the intro line is used for, because no one likes to receive a copy-pasted and generic intro like, "Hi Sarah, I hope this email finds you well. My name is Youssef and I work for the Scalelab where we offer XYZ. Everyone does this and no one ever gets a response. Let's not waste your intro line like this. I will show you how you can write amazing intro lines that will ensure your emails are actually read and not thrown in the bin. Let's get started.
The goal here is to establish a connection with your prospect. And it's important because after the subject line, this line helps you ensure your email is actually read. What I recommend is to make it about the prospect, not about you, and to be specific. You can, for instance, mention achievement, talk about the services they offer, or even highlight something you noticed on their profile or website, for example. Let's compare two intro line formats now. On one hand, we have, "Hi first name, I hope you're doing fine. My name is Youssef and I run the Scalelab where we help companies to grow and generate leads." On the other hand, we have, "Hi first name, I loved your LinkedIn poll on sales cycle duration. Shortening them seems like a strong focus at company name." The first one is unfortunately generic, as everyone writes the same introduction emails. And also, the intro is about me, not the prospect, so I'm not really making a difference here. The second one, on the other hand, is specific, as I mentioned something the person has done, and it's also focused on the prospect, not on me, which really helps me to stand out compared to all other generic emails a prospect receives.
I know, writing unique intro lines can be time consuming because it requires some level of research. But this is what will allow you to finally be read and get noticed. Is it better to send 100 copy-pasted emails in 1 hour without any positive reply, or spend 1 extra hour preparing engaging intro lines to get at least 10 positive replies? It's your decision to make, but I recommend you to focus on quality versus quantity. To help you, I have included a free link to download 4 intro line templates you can use when writing to prospects. Let me know in the comment section what intro line stood up for you, or feel free to suggest any of your favorite intro lines. On the next chapter, we will review your value proposition.